Good morning, I'm Mark Thompson with Watermark Data, and this is an Alteryx tutorial short. Somebody in the community had a question about how to export a file without overwriting the headers in their Excel file. I'm going to do this. Hopefully I can get it done in a minute and a half. We've got a file, simple CSV. We're going to output our data. I drag in the tool. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to tell it export, and I'm going to tell it save headers, arbitrary name. Save, tell it sheet 1. Great. Okay, I now have this. I export. Right? We come over here. We say save headers. We open it up and we see that we've got our file that we pulled in. It's got the headers. It's got all of our data. Let's close this up. Now, supposing this already exists, what you see and what you now go to is you want to overwrite the sheet or range. The problem is you've already got a sheet and it's specified up here. So what you want to do is you're going to come back to here and you're going to hit Excel and you're going to save that same file. And when you do, it's going to say or replace it. Yes. Now what you do is you specify a range. And in this case, I'm going to start in the second row. And I know in my particular case, my data has out to Q column and 5,000. And I tell it, okay. Now when I hit run, it's overwriting the range, but watch what happens. Let's go out here to my spreadsheet. And my file has started in the second row. This way it has maintained the column, the headers that are in the first row. And we've only overwritten the data below that. I can come in here to my spreadsheet. I delete that. I save it. Everything's great. Next time I come in here, I hit run. It's like this. And you can see it has overwritten the file, or the range, but it has not overwritten the headers. I'm Mark Thompson. This has been an Alteryx tutorial short. Hope you've enjoyed. See you next time.